Ahoy there! I'm Sam. I'm on a sailboat. We're going to my favorite place to swim. Come along and let's see what else is on the water. Did you know that a sailor is anyone who works on a boat? My grandpa was a sailor. He worked for the Navy. Even pirates are sailors. Arr! I'm the captain today. I get to steer the boat to where we are going. Have you ever seen how the wheel of a sailboat turns? When you turn the wheel, it moves the boat. See? There's a sailboat. It's just like mine. Can you see the sail? When the sail is up and the wind is blowing, our boat goes really fast. To make a sailboat go fast, you have to make sure the sail is up and tight. When you pull the rope down, the sail goes up. Sails and sailboats come in so many different shapes, sizes, and colors. The bigger the boat, the bigger the sail. Some boats have lots of sails. Did you know that a pirate ship is a big sailboat with lots of sails? Aye, matey. A paddle boat. A paddle boat uses pedals to move, just like the pedals on a bicycle. Wow! There are lots of people out on the water today. Look at this water skier. He's being pulled by that motorboat so he can go really fast. Have you ever seen a water scooter? Look at how fast it goes. It's like a motorcycle for the ocean. Dolphins. They swim together and jump out of the water to play. Sometimes you can hear them talk to each other in the air. When I'm out on the ocean, I see lots of different animals. See that dolphin swimming with us? Sometimes the dolphins come really close to our boat. They use the waves from the boat to swim faster. We always see seagulls when we go sailing. They fly around the beach looking for food. Sometimes they even rest on our sailboat when they're tired. Look at that pelican. Pelicans fly around looking for food too, and then dive right in. Did you see it dive? Whoa! A cruise ship! Have you ever seen a boat that big before? There are lots of different kinds of boats on the ocean with us. When you're sailing, you don't want to race a speedboat. It has an engine that makes it go fast. Have you ever seen a tugboat? A tugboat pulls or pushes ships that need help. It looks too small to do such a big job. Did you know there are police on the ocean? They're called the Coast Guard, and this is their boat. They keep everyone safe. It's time to swim. We made it to my favorite place to swim. I can't wait to jump in and see what we can see underwater. An anchor is a big, heavy weight tied to the boat. When an anchor is dropped in the water, it makes the boat stay in one place. Look what I found! An eagle ray. See how it swims? It's like an eagle flying in the sky, but it's underwater. I love swimming underwater with my dad. Here he comes. Hi, Dad!